This is a no-solution equation, absolute value of x plus 1 less than negative 5. So what you want to do is split it into two equations, x plus 1 less than negative 5, and x plus 1 greater than 5. The reason you change the sign and the symbol of 5 is because you have to make this into a negative to flip the sign. Negative is 5, and then you flip the sign to a greater than. So then you subtract 1, and then you get x is less than negative 6. And you subtract 1 over here, x greater than 4. So since it is a less than symbol, you use both of them at the same time. And since you're using and because it's a less than symbol, you put the two together. So x is greater than 4 but less than negative 6. Now since there are no x values that work for this, because if you use 5, yeah, it's greater than 4, but it's not less than negative 6. So nothing worked for this equation. That is why there is no solution. This is an all-solution equation, absolute value of x minus 10 greater than negative 53. So what you do is split into two equations, x minus 10 greater than negative 53, x minus 10 less than negative 53. So then you get x is greater than negative 43, and x is less than 63. Now you use or here because there's a greater than symbol. So you use these equations at different times. So you could use negative 42 up unto infinity and 62 up until negative infinity at different times. This is a absolute value equation equal to a linear expression. Absolute value of x minus 5 equals to x minus 3. So you split the equation in two parts. X minus 5 is equal to x minus 3, and x minus 5 is equal to negative x minus 3. So you get 0 equals 2, so this is invalid because that doesn't work. And x by 5 equals to negative x plus 3. You add 5, so add x, so then you get 2x equals 8, divide by 2, you get x equals 4. Now, the differences for solving for no solution, all solution, and one equal to a linear equation is the sign in particular, because this sign right here determines if you use and or. Since it's a less than sign, you use and then it gives you this equation right here, which gives you no solution. Since you have a greater than symbol right here, you use or, which lets you use all solutions, because you can use this one or this one at different times. An equal to symbol means that there's only one solution, and really all you're doing is just solving for x. Some key concepts of no solution is x plus 1 absolute value less than negative 5. Now this is no solution because its absolute value will always make it positive. It can never be less than a negative number. And since absolute value makes it less than negative 5, positive can never be less than a negative number. All solutions have many key concepts such as the greater than symbol pointing towards the absolute value. Since this is an absolute value, this will always be positive, which will in turn always be greater than negative 53. That is why this has every solution possible. This is equal to a linear expression, and since it has that equal symbol equal to a linear expression, you're really just solving for x, so whatever x is, that's your solution.